Oh, this looks so fishy. Oh, that's snaky. What was that? I think it was just little straight over barbed wire. I've just been speculating all the way up to here. All the streets have had little tiny fish flash up and I've left them. And a couple of holes I've done have had decent ones in them, so I expect this to have a good fish. He's chasing it. They're little guys, but so I mean, I'm expecting a good one to shoot up in a sec. Yeah, exactly what I meant. Now, I just speculated for heaps. They were just, I never, like, it's one of those days where they're just chasing the lures. So I just thought, I'll just keep moving, and then I realised that there's a pattern with the holes, and I knew when I got up to the next hole I'd get a better quality fish, so I left those fish. I mean, he's a nice bass, not huge, but they're good fun. So I was just using a little Z-Man rubber again, just as a speculator. It is probably one of the most lethal weapons on the market, I reckon. But mainly because, hey buddy, come on, settle down. It's the speed that we're ripping through this water at. These fish are so active that when I find them, they're just shooting up, they're showing themselves. See, they've only just come into the creek, they're brand new, coming out of the river. And anyway, I'm going to let you go. Don't tell your mates. Oh look, he's swimming straight back to him. See if we can get another lure in before he gets to him. But if I went any slower, I would have got that first little one. And the quicker you go, see if we can get another one before he tells them. They get educated real quick, these fish.